Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our the newest products on my right hand. This is hot dog steamers, countertop stylings, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit's entire length is about like 18 and 1/4 inches long, and the entire depth is about like 15 inches. And the overall tall, they are almost about like 15 inches. So as we can see, the units, they're having power switches at the bottoms right here, coming with the indicator lights. And we're also having, this is the temperature adjusting switches. Maximum, they have heating about like 175 degrees. And also we have a sticker banner right here and at the front. This is a cap. You can squeeze it and open it to clean the water inner side. And on the side of the units, we come in with the 110 standard plugs. This is standard plug for the US States. And also on side, we can see the house department inspector stickers right here. And when we're looking behind the units, they have a sticks right here. They can adjust this pan to control the heatings, the steaming heatings came out from the units. And also they come in with the this lids on top of it. You can put all the things to access it and clean it. And all the units, this unit is made by the stainless steel, food grade. So for the inner side dimensions, on the right hand one, they are about like 10.5 inches wide. And the overall depth is about like 12 inches. On the left hand, they are about like 6 and 1/4 inches wide. And for this holding pan sheets, it's only about like 11 inches deep. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.